Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you on how to send large video files through Gmail using Google Drive. Now let's get started. The first step is to open Gmail and compose a message. And to do that, open your Gmail account by going to gmail.com. After that, access your account by entering your account credentials and click on compose right here on the compose button to start a new email. After that, enter the recipient's, let's see here, yes, this one right here. Enter the recipient's email address and the subject line and a short message right here. The second step is to attach the video from Google Drive, and to do that, click on the Google Drive theme. Let's see here. Insert right here. Click on the Google Drive icon and go to My Drive right here and choose the video from your Google Drive video. If you upload a video, right now I'm uploading one. As soon as it's finished, I'm gonna choose it, and after that I'm gonna click on it, and if the file is too large, Gmail will automatically attach it as a drive link. Choose whether to share the video as a drive link or attachment, depending on the size and permission. The third step is to adjust permissions and send. If this video is shared as a drive link, make sure the recipient has access, and to do that, go back to your drive right here. You can, like, if you want to share this, the video is uploaded, click on share and click on this share button right here and go here. Before you copy the link, make sure you select this option right here with anyone with the link, so anyone with the link can have access to the file or the video you uploaded. And that's how you send videos through Gmail using Google Drive. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.